Okay, let's look at how to simplify algebraic expressions. Okay, so if you're given algebra expression like this, 10a minus 3b plus a minus 8b, and you're asked to simplify it. Now, what does it mean? It means that you have to combine whatever you can combine together. So you take a look, every term, this is called one term, okay, this is another term, this is another term, and this is another term. Okay, so you must understand that each term is made up of a sign, S and A, sign, a number, and algebra. Algebra is the alphabet. Then you check your work, and a CK is for you to check your work. So what is the sign here? It is plus. Number is 10. The algebra is A. Okay, so that's for the first term. We call this a term. Okay, there are 4 terms here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second one is the sign is minus. The number is 3, and the algebra is B. Next, when you don't see a number here, it's not that it's 0. There's actually a number here, and the number is 1. Okay, I've written here in your notes. So when you see x, right, it actually means 1x. So it's not 0x, it's actually 1x. And when you see minus x, it means minus 1x. So this minus is your sign, the number is your algebra, and your x is your A. Okay, and now we are ready to do the question. You must always use calculator. Okay, do not use mental calculation. All right, so let's take a look at how we can do this particular question. First, look at the first term. Start with the first term. It is 10a, which means plus 10a. Now, plus 10a can be combined together with, it cannot be combined with b. Okay, it can be combined with another a. It must be the same thing, then it can combine. Okay, so you can press calculator. 10 plus 1 is 11a. So your this particular answer is 11a. Okay, now we are settled with the A already. We go to the B. Now, many of you tend to ignore the minus. Cannot. Okay, cannot. Because we must always, every term, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Every term has a sign, a number, and algebra. Okay, so sign, number, algebra, sign, number, algebra. So what must you do? You must remember this snack. Okay, and then press the calculator. Press what? Minus 3. Okay, you cannot press 3. You must press minus 3. So you press minus 3. Okay, then you have minus 3 here, right? Minus 8b. Okay, minus 8b. So it is minus 8b. But of course we cannot press the b there. We only press the number on our calculator, and it tells us minus 11b. Now your answer is not just minus 11. Okay, it is minus 11b, banana. Alright, so very simple. You group all the apple together, all the banana together, and you'll get this answer. Okay, now the second question is the same. You go and do your own. Alright, you go and do your own. Later I will send the solution over, then you can check your answer. Okay, now let's do another question involving brackets. Now I want to highlight to you the difference between A and B is that you don't see any brackets. Okay, but for C and D you see brackets here. Now what does the bracket mean? Bracket means times or multiply, times. Okay, so when you see bracket on your calculator, when you calculate, you can press the times. Okay, so take a look here. 2m. Is there any bracket for this? Don't have. So the 2m is just 2m. Alright? It's like this is just like 12a. It's just 12a. It's on its own. That you're not going to multiply 12a to anything, you see? So it's just 2m. Okay? Now what you need to multiply is here. Now you see a minus here. When there is no number here, it doesn't mean that it's zero, okay? It doesn't mean that it's zero. It means that it is actually, there's actually a 1 there. There's actually a 1 there. Okay, I repeat 3 times. There's actually a 1 there. Huh? There's actually a 1 here. Alright? So, this minus here, same as this minus that I give you in your notes, there's actually a 1 there. Alright? So why is this important? Because once you know that there is a minus there, there's nothing for you to mentally calculate. Okay? That's what I mean by don't use mental calculation, use calculator. You simply press minus 1. Okay, then bracket means times, right? Minus 1 times minus 5. So you press minus 1. Okay, then you go and times minus 5, right? Sorry, minus 1 times minus 3. Sorry, minus 1 times minus 5. I saw wrongly, times minus 5. So your minus 5, you press this minus and the 5. Because we are taking this minus 1 times this minus 5, you press equal and you get 5. Now 5 means actually there is a plus in front. The sign, if there's no negative in front, right? You see the calculator? If there's no minus in front, that means it's minus. Okay? That means it's minus. Sorry. If there's no minus in front, that means it's positive. Okay? I repeat, sorry for what I said just now. If there is no minus in front, that means it's plus. Alright? They will never put a plus here when it's alone like that number. So what I'm trying to tell you is, after pressing the calculator, this is still 2 monkey, right? 2 monkey. But this minus 1, bracket means times, times the number here, he has become not 5, but plus 5. Plus 5 what? Monkey. Alright? So your next step will be, you can press calculator 2 plus 5, that's 7 monkey. Okay, that's all. Okay, so that's how you work this out using calculator. Okay, for those who actually you are stronger in algebra, you can think of it as, we already said, right, minus times minus is plus. So you see, minus times minus is plus. Straight away you can come to this step here. That means it's plus 5m, then you can get the answer. Alright, so please go and try this and this. I will send the answer over soon.